Just wanted to do a quick update on the Chicago Hardy figs. This spring, actually, I showed you I moved them to a box down here, the two trees. I had them in planters for the last couple of years, and finally I decided to put them outside because they were doing nothing in the planters. And as you can see, they've actually took off and started growing, and this fall they did put on their first figs. Looks like I almost got figs because we had frost last night and they all got hit, so they're pretty much gone. They didn't have time to fully mature and ripen, but it's promising. There must be probably, I don't know, maybe 30 of them on there, 40 of them on the plants, and you can see they're all there. They're all just small. They just didn't have enough time. I guess they got started too late. So, hopefully next year we'll get some. I just wanted to do a quick update and show you that it's looking promising right now. And the leaves will probably all fall off in the next day or so after the frost. But, at least it looks like they're doing good out there in that planter, so we'll see. And about the only collar left is our fire bush out there. The rest of the leaves are falling. You can see I'll be cleaning up leaves pretty soon, another day or so. And we do have plenty of parsley and kale. The kale has taken off after the cold weather set in. And you can see we've got a ton of it right now. And also a little bit of Swiss chard. I never got my lettuce in this fall, so we're lettuceless. And I do have the wood moved up by the side of the garage there. Got a bunch of wood moved up there drying in the sun, and I got a couple cords stacked up on the porch now all ready to go. Hopefully we'll make it through till February with all this wood that's up here now. It's all that nice dry ash that I bought this spring, so should be good burning. And I got some more wood down there and some more kindling up on top there. That little kindling cracker, boy, I've been busy with that. I really love that thing. Works perfect, simple to use. You don't, fear getting cut or anything when you're making kindling, and there's no way it'll last forever. There's no way you're going to break it. So I do love that thing. And as I said before, this is, these are what my figs look like now. Not really big figs, but came real close, probably about 3 or 4 weeks off. So for some reason the plants just haven't established the time yet, I guess, or the time of season, I guess. But I did get figs, not edible, so here they are. And just a quick picture of a bake my wife did. She took some beets and the sweet potatoes and the onions from our garden, roasted them up there, and boy were they good. What a treat that was. And today is the first day. We've had a fire going all day long. Really chilly and damp outside and rainy, and really enjoying the warmth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.